Life Path Education and Migration Private Limited. Let's discuss how to apply Indian entry visa step by step.
Let's see in this video how to get a visa to India. You can get an entry visa as well as an e-visa here. First, let's see how to get an entry visa. For an entry visa, there are some documents needed. Let's see what these documents are. If you have children, their birth certificates, your marriage certificate, your VFS appointment, and copies of your passport bio page. For an example, if 3 of you are traveling, then we need 3 copies of the passport bio page. And especially your passport. In the case of 2 or more than 2 traveling, you must submit separate applications. So now, let's see how this process is being done. First, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Indian Visa Online and press enter. After that, click on the first search result. You will be directed to the authorized portal for visa application to India page. When you scroll down, you can see for regular paper visa by Indian Mission Post apply here. Click on that. Afterwards, in the next homepage scrolls down. You can see regular paper visa application. Click on that. Next, you will be on the online visa application page. Let's fill this. As the country you are applying from, select Sri Lanka. For Indian Mission Office, select Sri Lanka, Colombo. As the nationality, select Sri Lanka. Then enter your date of birth. Then enter your email address. Then re-enter your email address. After that, enter your correct expected date of arrival. For your visa type, select an entry visa. For the purpose, select the third one when you scroll down. Then enter the CAPTCHA correctly. After filling in all the details correctly, click Continue. Later, we are in the Applicant Details form. In here, fill your details as per your passport. First, your surname, then your name. So here, they are asking to have you changed your name previously. If yes, tick that. If it is not, leave it. Then your gender. So now you can see your date of birth is automatically updated here. So next, your town. For the country, select Sri Lanka. And then enter your ID number. After that, fill your religion. So here they are asking as do you have any visible marks? If it is yes, you can give yes. If not, put none. Thereafter, they asking for your educational qualifications. You can fill your highest education qualification. If you have child, you can select this. Your nationality is automatically updated. For this one, select by birth. Then they ask for your passport details. Enter your passport number. And next, they are asking about the place of issue. I am putting Colombo. Then fill the date of issue. And next, date of expiry. Fill it properly. Then they ask you whether you have any other valid passport. If you have any, you can give yes, and if you haven't, you can give no. If you have completed all the above details properly, then click Save and Continue. Next, we are in the Family Details section. Here you can give your home address, then your town, and select Sri Lanka for the country. Then they ask the state or the province you are living in. So here you can give your current province. Then they are asking for the postal code. If you don't know that, you can type your city and postal code in Google. You can copy that and paste it. After that, they ask for your phone number. ISD code means your country code, which is +94. And again give your phone number. Then select click here the same address. Then your previous details will be added automatically. After that, they ask your family for details. First, they ask your father's name. For nationality, select Sri Lanka. Here, they are asking your father's previous nationality. Select Sri Lanka. Then correctly fill the place of birth. And again, as the country, select Sri Lanka. And also, they are asking about your mother. Fill in the details as previous. And then they are asking about your marital status. If you are married, then select married, and if it is not, you can select single. Then click OK in the pop-up. Then they are asking whether your grandmother or grandfather is in Pakistan. If yes, you can click it. If not, you can click no. Also, they ask about your current occupation. If your occupation is available in the drop-down, you can select it. If it is not, you can select other. Then you can give the place of work and the location. Next, they are asking for the company number. Then they ask about your previous occupation. If it is the same, you can give that, or if it is different, you can select that. Then they ask whether you have worked in the police or military. If it is yes, click yes button, and if it is not, click no button. Now you can scroll and see whether your field details are correct. If so, you can click Save and Continue. Now we are in the Visa Details Form tab. Then they ask in the duration. Here fill in as 1 month. Then for the number of entries, you can see single, double and multiple. You can fill it accordingly. For an example, you can put 3 months and put multiple, or you can put 6 months and put double. Here you can put for several visas and the charges will change for each category. Okay, let's continue. Here they ask about the expected date of the journey. For the port of arrival, we put New Delhi and the exit is the same. Next, they are asking to have you previously visited India. If so, you can fill in the details. In here, I am giving no to have permission to visit or extend stay in India previously been refused. Then they ask about the countries you have traveled in the last 10 years. If you have, you can select it. If not, you can leave it empty. And next, they are asking have you visited any SAARC countries in the past 3 years. If you do not know what they are, you can Google and see. I will show you what they are. SAARC countries are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. So if you have visited any of those, you can click yes. If not, you can click no. For the reference name in India, you can give the name of the hotel you are planning to stay. For the address, I give as New Delhi. State Delhi. District New Delhi. Then your phone number. Then for your reference, you can give your parents or your guardian's name and their address. Then give your phone number again. So recheck your details. See if it is correct. Then press save and continue. After that, we are in the additional captions tab. Please read them carefully and click no for all of them. Then tick the terms and conditions. Next, click save and continue. Here they are asking us to upload a photograph, but right now we are not uploading a photograph. We will be using a 2x2 photograph. So click skip and continue. We can see a summary of the filled details. Then click verify and continue. By now, automatically a PDF will be downloaded. In your computer, in downloads, you can see the visa application form. Open it. Why we didn't upload a photo previously? Because we are going to print and submit this paper document. We print our photographs in 2x2 size and paste them here, and then we put our signature. When you scroll, you can put your signature and date. Then with this, printed application take the previously mentioned documents. By now, you have successfully done your Indian visa.
TN Solutions. Innovations beyond excellence.